Hello, my name is Sal, and I'm with Sal's Gunsmithing. I'm a local gunsmith. And I also happen to be a native son, and I have been coming to National Hardware since I was a very small child. I would come with my grandfather. He introduced me to this business. It's a local business. They support everybody in the community. And the best thing for me is that the jobs that I do, I have to find certain parts to get them to work, to adapt them over on projects that I am performing. And I've never had a problem finding or acquiring what I need. The staff here knows their stuff. They're very knowledgeable. They have great customer service. And I highly recommend that any project that you're working on, whether it's woodworking, painting, do it yourself, this is a place to come so that they can help you and you can be a great success in your project.